xoKARARAE here and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys another Mask Monday video. I know it's been so long since I've filmed one of these, but I'm really excited because I'm bringing you guys a mask that recently took social media by storm. It has been seen on InStyle, Cosmopolitan, BuzzFeed, Glamour, and a lot of other major social media networking sites. So if you guys are interested to see what this mask is and how it worked for me, then make sure you guys keep on watching. So I know I just really hyped up this mask in my intro, but it is literally nothing short of amazing. The mask I am talking about is the Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying and Brightening Purifying Pink Clay Mask. And this is the package that it came in, just something small and simple. Here is the jar that the mask actually comes in. You get 2.1 full ounces of this pink clay, and you also get a brush. So the applicator brush is really what had me excited because I have a ton of masks and I've never received any type of applicator brush, so that was exciting in and of itself. Let me read to you guys what some of the claims are of this mask. So I do have my phone here for reference, and I'm literally just on the Sand and Sky website. I will make sure everything is linked below, so if you're interested in picking up this mask, make sure you open my description box. But it gives you guys two claims. So it's claiming to detoxify, and it's also claiming to brighten up your skin. It is pink. It's a pink clay mask, and this is pure Australian pink clay. It deeply cleanses and detoxifies to refine your pores and complexion, so you'll be super bright, glowy, and of course slaying per usual. 92% of people said they saw immediate results. 83% said that their skin was visibly cleansed and purified after use, and 87% felt that their skin was significantly smoother after use. So these are some really good statistics. Let me show you what it actually looks like. So I have my little jar here. You just peel off this and you have, it's literally a pink clay mask. And it doesn't have much of a scent, but it kind of does. It kind of smells like really clean and pure. It's nothing sickening. It's very soft, and it's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna give anybody any problems if you have any problems with the scent of things. Now, this mask is a little bit on the pricey side, but if it does all these things that it's claiming to do, then I think it is well worth the price. It is currently retailing for $49. And when you think about it, that's not extremely unrealistic when you think about like the Glam Glow mud masks and things like that. A lot of high-end masks do cost a pretty penny. I will say that there are some cheaper options that you can find out there, but if you're looking for something to really do what this is claiming to do, then this is probably your best bet. So now let's talk about how this mask works. Of course, you're going to need to apply it on a clean face, a clean cleansed face, and you are going to literally just apply a layer of it, not a super thick layer, just a nice thin layer. Wait for approximately 10 minutes, and that's also amazing is that it works in 10 minutes. So I'm expecting a really quick dry time with a 10-minute mask, and gently remove it with warm water once it has been completely dry. Pat dry your face, and then of course go in with your toners and serums and moisturizers. So let's hop into this demo, shall we? Let me go ahead and wash my face, and I will be right back to show you guys how to apply this mask. Alright guys, I am back, clean, fresh face and all. To cleanse my skin, I just used the Lush Coal Face, and I also went ahead and exfoliated with with the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. I've talked about this in other favorites videos, so you guys know the deal. This stuff is legit. I just wanted to make sure I had a nice, clean, fresh canvas to start on. Now I'm going to show you guys my skin up close. I'm a little apprehensive to do that, but I'm going to show you guys my skin up close just to see the starting point, and then we will apply this mask together. Skin is actually doing pretty decent right now. I don't have too many breakouts going on. I do have larger pores around my cheeks area, in that cheek area. That's where my pores are the largest. So yeah, we will see what this mask does for my skin. I'm not expecting anything to look too drastic at the end of this, but I am expecting it to kind of calm my skin, clarify my skin, and I want a smoother, more radiant look to my skin. Alrighty, now let's get started. I mentioned it came with a cute little applicator brush, And then we have our pink clay mask, of course. So I'm going to start with this part of it, and I'm going to apply it to my skin. I like to start with upward strokes because it helps apply the product faster, and it also helps the product penetrate your skin better as well. It's spreading really easily on my skin, so that's a good sign. So it's all smooth on my face. It's already starting to dry, if you cannot tell, like right here along the edges. It's really already starting to dry. I am feeling some tingling going on, which is probably meaning that it's working, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, so it says give it 10 minutes, and that is what we're gonna do. The time is 8:36. We're gonna give it till 8:46, and then we're gonna wash it off. Guys, so I am back. I have washed off the mask, and I have gone ahead and toned my face with some witch hazel. This stuff is amazing. And I also went ahead and started my moisturizing process with the Sunday Riley products. This is the Power Couple Duo. I mentioned it in my Sephora VIB haul, and these products are like out of this world. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out in the description box below. Everything will be linked. So let's talk about my final thoughts on this mask. One thing I want to note is while I was rinsing it off, like this is literally the easiest product, clay mask product, I'll say, that I've ever had to wash off. Like it literally, you just add water to it and it kind of just like glides off your face. It feels really silky, it feels really smooth. I was really shocked because usually clay masks are like really crumbly and like really hard to get off for some reason, but this was not, which is a huge plus. It dried in 10 minutes, like exactly. So that's also something that's really good because you don't want to spend a ton of time with waiting on a mask to dry. I did notice that like with most clay masks, I had like little oil pockets that were on the mask, so that meant that the mask was working. I like the fact that you can feel it tingling on your face. That also means to me that the mask is working. And once I rinse it off, my skin definitely feels a lot smoother to the touch. The redness of my acne or my breakouts has been dulled down. My pores look a lot tighter. I don't think you guys will be able to see that on camera, but I can see it just looking at this in this mirror right now, that the pores on my cheeks, which are the pores that are the largest on my face, are a lot tighter. And my skin just feels like a lot cleaner. So I'm really satisfied with this mask. I hope you guys will give it a try. Make sure you open up my description box. All the products that I mentioned in this video, of course, will be listed down below. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Have you heard of this mask? Have you tried this mask? Let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more mask reviews for Mask Monday. And don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video, guys, I will see you later. Bye.